So finally here in the hotel after exhausting day. So this is my room. So look at that here in Punakha. And let's check the bathroom first. Toilet, amenities, shower. And let's check the view. This is a very, very beautiful. This is a very beautiful view, guys. Look at that. Diba ang ganda? Ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view. Nice dinner muna. So we have soup here, noodles, rice, Manchurian chicken, and I think some other local delicacies. So kain muna ako, guys. Good morning, Punakha. So guys, kagigising ko lang. So I had a very, very good sleep. Kasi after na mag-dinner kahapon, kagabi, nagpa-massage ako and the massage is so good. It's, I think it's 2,500 Bhutanese rupee. Siguro ang conversion niya siguro mga more or less $30 lang. Ang galing-galing niya kasi parang body massage siya. Tapos hanggang sa kasukasuan, hanggang sa dulo ng daliri ng paa ko. Yung mga daliri ko minasahe niyan talaga, tsaka yung ulo ko. So far, overnight lang kami dito and we're gonna drive to Paro siguro mga 4 hours, and then actually time check it's only 5 o'clock in the morning. So Bhutan is a country na parang wala akong nakikitang sunrise and sunset kasi ano siya, enclosed siya sa sa mga mountains and yeah.
Good morning.
Tingala ako nagapanukto ko.
Sorry, we're having a meeting. Isa yun. Nakakibot mo niya kami. Ang itsura ko niya tayo niya.
Guys, tignan niyo naman ang view. Karaoke time!
It's okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, just it's okay. In the song Country Roads.
Yes!
Blue Ridge Mountains, Sheridan River. This all there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a bomb far away. I should have been home yesterday. You know, last one, okay, last one. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road. Everybody, thank you. This song is related to this place. That's all I would say.
So guys, tignan niyo naman ang fog on our way to Pokhara. We're just gonna have a quick restroom stop here. Pero ang ganda pa rin. Very magical. Inside the National Museum of Bhutan here in Paro. Look at this, guys. The place is so amazing talaga. Tignan niyo naman. So, National Museum of Bhutan. Guys, another fortress here in Paro. Sorry. Muntik na ako doon. So, ito.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yung picture na ng taga po tayo, walang manok.
Ano ko rin? Masih ko orang malas pun.
Mrs. Angki,
Yes.
what's your life experience?
So, ayan siya guys. So, since alam ko na hindi ko kaya talaga mag-trek sa Tiger's Nest, nag-horse na lang ako, si Sandu, tsaka yung guide ko. What's your name, my friend?
Train?
Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah. And then... thank you. Finish. So guys, this is a gate going to the cafeteria. So ayan na siya guys. Tiger's Nest. One of the most famous attraction here in Bhutan. So, ayan. So guys, update lang. So sabi na ni Kuya, another 30 minutes pa daw. Hindi ko pa rin nakikita yung group ko kasi first of all, nag-horseback riding kasi ako papuntang midpoint, and then from midpoint dumiretso na ako dito. Hindi ko na sila hinintay dahil kapag hinintay ko pa sila, mahuhuli na naman ako. You know that I have like knee injury. So meron lang akong dalang walking stick here. Nakikita niyo, binili ko yan sa Amazon. And then layer, kasi baka umulan or whatever, rain jacket, tsaka very light backpack lang talaga, and then water. Marami naman silang rest area, and hindi kasi dire-diretso yung lakad ko, though meron kasi akong knee injury, but I have good hiking shoes. This is by Salomon, and then naglagay lang ako ng compression socks. And then sa baba, nilagyan ko siya ng plantar fasciitis na rubber. And then, naglagay lang ako ng sleeves sa right knee ko. Hindi na ako nag-braces kasi mahihirapan akong mag-bend. And then, yung kinesiology tape ko. And then, yun lang. Hindi ako masyadong umiinom ng tubig kasi baka mabigat sa tiyan, tsaka baka umaihi-ihi ako. So far, time check, it's 9:05. And hopefully talagang hindi bumigay yung yung tuhod ko. And then yeah. So guys, siguro malapit na ako. Ayan. Tiger's Nest pa more.